In the Elbesee Posilock Floor Stand there will be a leg, 2 feet, the left one with the buffers and the indent on the same side and the right one with them on different sides, an arm, a foot locator, 3 nylon posilocks, a clamp block, a pivot block, a flip top, clamps, nylon washers, spring washers, plain washers, wing nuts and also bolts. For the first stage of assembly, you will need the leg, 2 feet, the foot locator, a plain washer, and also a wing nut. Place the leg on the table with the screw towards you and the cutaway to the right. Fit the foot locator onto the screw, bevel upwards and away from you. Then fit the left foot onto the screw, making sure the black buffers are towards you and the foot is pointing to the right. Then twist the leg clockwise to locate the foot locator lug against the foot. Then fit the right foot on, pointing upwards, black buffers towards you again. Finally, put on the plain washer and screw on the wing nut. In the next stage of assembly, you will need the short bolt, the arm, 2 nylon posilocks, a nylon washer, a plain washer, a spring washer and a wing nut. Insert from the left a short bolt from the top of the leg. Fit a nylon posilock on the right of the leg, its lugs located into the holes. Fit a second nylon posilock. Then fit the slot of the arm into the bolt so its hole is towards you. Follow with a nylon washer, a plain washer, a spring washer, and finally a wing nut. For the next stage of assembly, you'll need a short bolt, the pivot block, the flip top, a nylon washer, a plain washer, a spring washer, and a wing nut. Hold the pivot block with the ridged circle end towards you and the other ridged circle to the right. Insert a short bolt from the left. Then from the right, fit a flip top, ridged circle to the left. Just allow it to hang downwards. Then fit this whole unit into the hole of the arm. Fit a nylon washer, followed by a plain washer, a spring washer, and then finally a wing nut. Before tightening, push the bottom of the flip top backwards against the arm. The pivot block should now pivot upwards freely. Now you will need the clamp block. Use with the ridge side upwards if you're clamping frames which have a round bar. However, use with the flat side upwards if you're using embroidery hoops, quilting hoops, or helping hands. Insert a medium bolt upwards through the right hand hole and drop the clamp, heavy ribs uppermost. Then fit a plain washer and a wing nut. After this, insert a long bolt from the front and fit a nylon posi lock to the back, making sure the lugs are then located in the holes and clipped down. Insert this unit through the hole in the ridged circular face of the pivot block. Hold with a plain washer, a spring washer, and screw on a wing nut. Now you're ready to clamp in your frame. We're using a helping hand. However, if you're not, I suggest that you put some fabric in between the clamps and your frame. Tighten up the bolts so that the frame is held securely. Next, you can make any adjustments by loosening off the wing nuts. As you can see, the frame rotates in many ways. Once you're happy with the position, you're ready to begin.